Good morning, everyone. We are out prospecting again, and we are on the initial trail to get to where we're going. Got about a 4-kilometer hike ahead of us, and it's starting off to be not that easy. As you can see, recent storm has wiped out half the forest and wrecked most of our trail, so we're gonna have to find another way or climb over all these trees. So let's go. But we're not too disappointed, because look at the exposed bedrock. Alright, so we got our first sample here. You got a little bit of chalcopyrite with some oxidized quartz and schists. Then you have a little bit of magnetite in there as well. We got this sample from an uprooted tree. It's the first sample of the day. We're going to send it in for a trace analysis. And we'll continue on and see what else we can find. Alright, and we have our second sample here. Grab sample. You can see there's pyrite mineralization throughout schists, and there's a little bit of quartz. Alright, so we have another sample here. Pyrite and chalcopyrite. So this sample was found about 100 meters away from the other one, almost in a straight line, parallel with the rock face up there. Alright, so we got our next sample here. We found this about 5 meters away from the last sample. You can see there's extensive mineralization in the form of pyrite, and over here you have some chalcopyrite and a schistose rock, and you have a little bit of quartz in there as well down at the bottom. Alright, so somewhere off this over here, this is all cliff up there, about 75 meters away, all the way around here. Somewhere off there we're having some slough rock come down, and we're finding really good samples. A lot of overburden. Hasn't been logging, I'd say, in at least 60 years. So not sure where these samples are coming from, but we're finding even more of them. Got pyrite mineralization throughout schists. And let's go take a look at the other ones. So extensive pyrite and chalcopyrite mineralization on this sample. Want to carry this back with us, but it's about 10 pounds. And then you have another sample here with more mineralization, more there. We're finding these samples in a span about 100 meters, so there's something here. Alright, so we're just hiking up to that rock face up there. and over here, and we're going to split up and see if we can find anything. We can see a couple quartz veins from a distance, but we're going to see if we can find any mineralization, see if we can find the source of those samples, and if there's anything, we'll film it. Alright, so we're here on the left side of the outcrop. We noticed a bunch of oxidized rock, and there was a bit exposed, so we took a little sample off that, a couple other spots. So there's obvious pyrite mineralization, nothing crazy, but mineral is mineral. So we're going to keep poking around here and see what else we find. Alright, so we got our next sample here. You have some pyrite, chalcopyrite, and pyrrhotite throughout this piece. And it was found in a contact zone over there. So we're exposing it a bit more, seeing if it's perhaps a showing of some sort that we've uncovered. But we'll send this one in for analysis as well. Alright, so right behind that tree you have the showing, and this whole area down here and on this side all has mineralized rocks. We took a moment to hammer some rocks in here. They're all oxidized and hugely mineralized, with stringers of pyrite, chalcopyrite all throughout. So we think that our showing continues down here and goes underneath the tree. And down below, over there, is where we found all our mineralized rocks on the road, within about a 50 meter or 150 foot span. So we think this property has some good potential, so we're going to continue exploration here and check out this showing in a bit more detail at a later date, and also when we have time do some more sampling of the entire property. But for now, it's getting dark. We don't have any more time to prospect right now, so we are going to head home, do the 2-hour hike back, and we'll see you next time when we're prospecting.